It's stuck. Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae, and today I'm so excited because I have some clothes from Me.N.U to open. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So this is the beautiful box. I know it's really pretty. It's like crazy. It's brown. Whoa. Whoa! There's 2 bags in here. So here's the baggie. It's super cute, and there's a little sticker at the top so no one swipes your stuff, because that would be terrible. Okay, so in this, I have some really cute shorts. And then there's some more really cute shorts. And some more really cute shorts. And some more really cute shorts. These are adorable. These are awesome. Whoa, there's a bag in the bag. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is adorable. This is so cute. Oh my god. These are like so cute. This is adorable. Okay, so I don't know. Oh my god. So there's a bracelet. There's a ring and a necklace. So I'm gonna try it on and then I'll show you guys and let you know what I think. This is adorable. I love the shorts so much and they fit really well. The shirt is really cute too. I thought it would be too long, but it's not. So yeah, 2 thumbs for this outfit. And I'm like obsessed with the jewelry. It's like so nice and it's like adorable. So yeah, I really like this outfit and I would probably rate it a 8 out of 10. So apparently I missed something. I found that in the bag. So whoops. Sorry, I have to look at this first. Oh my god, that's adorable. Next, we have this shirt. And then we have these shorts. Okay, I'm gonna try on the next outfit. Here's these shorts. They're super cute. And yeah, I really like them. And I would rate them like an 8 out of 10 also. These shorts are super cute and I really like them. These shorts are like so comfy and I love the lace at the bottom. 2 thumbs for these. I also got the shorts in gray, and usually jean shorts aren't very comfortable, but these are like so comfy and they're adorable. This shirt is so cute and cozy and the pocket's ripped, which I think is super cute. So this is the same shirt, but it has different designs on it. And this one has like rips like all through it, and I think it's super cute. One left. So here's the back and the front. It's super cute and it's actually really comfy. I thought it looked big at first, but it actually fits me really well. And then I have the necklace on, which is like so pretty. So my favorite outfit I got would probably be the romper. I think it's so cute and cozy, and their clothes are so adorable. So yeah, I love their jewelry, and the bags are just like an added bonus. They're so cute and you could probably use them for pretty much anything. So they're awesome. Go check out their Instagram at Me.N.U. and I'll have all their links down in the description box below if you want to check them out, buy their clothes, or follow them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below which outfit was your favorite. I love you guys so much. Bye!